I can totally relate to the slogan "Apna time I will," because I used to tell myself that you've got it. You just got to believe in that.
यार तेरा तेरी तो निकल पड़ी क्या गुड लक है लक्ष्मी घर आई है so we were like लक्ष्मी की blessing लो
Playing Khilji was like a big risk. A lot of people were like, "Oh, you're gonna play such a bad guy, such a despicable person with all these like homosexual undertones and like such a negative character at this stage. You want people to hate you and all." I had a phase like that in my life when I was trying to get a break as an actor. Things weren't particularly easy. There were some tough times, but then I can totally relate to the slogan "Apna time I will," because I used to tell myself that you've got it. You just got to believe in that and keep hustling and believe in yourself and believe that apna time I
2013 was a great year. I got so much critical acclaim for Lutera, and then my breakthrough hit Ram Leela. It happened in the same year. Gave me validation कि हाँ जी आपको काम आता है, और that gave me a little bit of confidence to kind of make more authentic choices and be more of myself. Responsibility, I don't feel that much as a public figure as much as an entertainer. I am what I am because I am an entertainer. That is the core of what I do. I entertain people. So that responsibility is there. That now, when people see my name attached to a film or my face on a poster, they're like, there's a certain amount of trust that they put in me over the 8 years that I've worked. I had an injury that year which taught me a lot. That all this is very fragile. I hurt my back very badly during Lutera, and laid up in bed, I used to think to myself, man, I've just started and I feel like it's gonna slip away. I want to do so much, and here I am laid up in bed not being able to do anything. Taught me a lot. So coming out of that, I started making more authentic choices, only to see that one, though it's much easier on me. I'm not trying. It's not an efforted thing. I'm just being. And it's much easier. It's less taxing. There's less thought and energy that goes into it. You just be your authentic self, and people start recognizing that.
I actually read a quote today that's quite similar. It was, I think, by Jack Nicholson. And he said, once you've been really terrible in a movie, it brings about a certain fearlessness. Once you're really terrible in a film, then you're like fearless. Then you're like ready to take risks. Like I was terrible in Ladies vs. Equipment. Like I was horrendous. So after that, I developed a certain fearlessness. I don't fear failing anymore because how bad can how bad can it be? I think risks excite me, and I think in order to push myself and not stay in any kind of comfort zone, it's important for me to do to take big risks. And I play high risks at every level, in every aspect almost. Whether it's choices that I make for a character, whether it is choices that I make in my performance, even in life. Sometimes you could say even my sartorial choices. Something like everything is like I like to play high risks because it excites me. Playing Khilji was like a big risk. A lot of people were like, "Oh, you're gonna play such a bad guy, such a despicable person with all these like homosexual undertones and like such a negative character at this stage. You want people to hate you and all." But I feel like nothing ventured, nothing gained. When you play high risk, the rewards are equally big.
I'm always looking forward to the next challenge, something new to stimulate me, because I'm actually not result oriented, to be honest. It's like I don't place a disproportionate amount of value on the result of a film. For me, the process is the prize. For me, it's the greatest gift and greatest thing that I'm an actor, and that I go to a film set and collaborate with these fine creative people. I feel like I'm somebody who doesn't get too carried away with success and doesn't get too bogged down by failure at the same time, and I've seen both. So I kind of have this like middle path that I follow that keeps me sane.
I think every actor is different.
Yeah.
Every actor's process is different. Not just that, every actor's process for every different part in every film, every character is different.
Correct.
Like I don't have the same process for Gully Boy and perhaps Alauddin Khilji. You know, it's completely different. You try different approaches, whatever works. You have to adapt to the style of various filmmakers, and a lot like their processes are never like either. You'll find common ground and similarities, but generally very different from each other. So when it comes to one's process, I think every actor has his or her own unique process that works for them.
यार तेरी तो निकल पड़ी, you know, क्या good luck है. Lakshmi घर आई है. So we were like, Lakshmi की blessing लो. And so she did this and we did this, and it was just a cute moment. She's really proud of what I've achieved in my profession. I've achieved to an extent what I'm endeavoring to achieve, in the sense that I want to be recognized as a versatile actor, because I'm trying to be the best actor I can possibly be, and my definition of becoming a better actor is becoming a more versatile actor, and I've consciously endeavored to showcase the versatility in my repertoire, and now people are recognizing that more than ever before, so that's very, very heartening.